lang alam na kung malaki.
Kasi ibang supot yung binigay. Yan, okay na yan. Yung bakla natin.
So,
Yung bakla natin, sakyan natin. Magpunta tayo ng street yard. Hatid tayo through street yard na.
We found tender meat, like we need to touch it, it's actually bouncing. They're like, we're already done, so
Sige, gusto mo yan. Yung binutas na kasi yung
plastic.
That's all we need pa dyan?
Yeah.
Oy, take into consideration, we're 4.
Ang gagawin pala na
Apat tayo.
We made burgers for my parents.
Yeah, we're 4. And then then we have to make burgers for your parents. You sure this one's gonna do? Sure na yan?
Si Muhammad pumili.
Hindi kasi last time tatlo lang kami tapos his parents. Now we're 4 plus your parents.
Ano?
No, quarter, half yan.
Ay shit. Ay okay lang nga Rod.
Madami na to.
Yeah, that's enough. That might outdo us
Just
all.
make thin burgers for my parents, they don't even care anyways.
Wait, what did your mom say about the burgers that you cooked?
Nice, pretty nice.
Nice. What did your dad say?
It's like,
Okay, yeah.
pick one? Cashier?
Sa palengke na kaya kumuha tayo ng ganun. Magpapalengke na ba?
Yeah.
Doon naman tayo sasakay, di ba? Doon na lang sa palengke.
Pero kung walang ganyan.
Meron yan.
Meron yan, marami yan. Magtatawad tayo doon bro.
May kamatis pa ba sa bahay niya? Onions.
Yung cheese man, doon tayo na bottleneck ka. Yung last time. Tignan mo ang mamahal. Uy.
Ilang slices
Buksan mo sa kamulagay, no?
Ilang slices? 12?
12 slices.
That's 90
For how
pesos.
much?
90.
We're thinking of this.
Masyadong mahal yun eh.
Yeah, I know.
143.
Tingin nga.
Ito,
What you
90
doing,
pesos.
Arla? Why you gonna do us like that? Ano?
I don't know, what do you guys want?
Kayo ah.
I mean, they're both good. Pero this is for burgers.
Kayo
Ito
ah.
na, parang...
Fuck you, Arla.
Gagawa vlog mo para sa ESP?
Oo. Bahala na si Muhammad
Ito.
mag-edit. Coco Crunch. More like I crunch your mama's Got him. Fit bar. More like I'll fit my bar in your mama. got him twice. What else? Cream all. More like a cream on your mama.
Stasher tayo dito. Ay, lalagay ko ba ito dito?
Wait lang, hindi pa.
So, anong gagawin ko dito?
You just,
Post ako.
we're video. Done cooking, the final ones. Yay! Yay!
What?